Hey, it's Michael Bernier of Think Outside, and I love this plant. We are at Ricardo's Nursery in Long Beach, California, and today we are talking about the Westringia fruticosa, or the coastal rosemary, and I love this plant. The coastal rosemary is native of Australia, like most every other plant that we talk about. It is a very hardy shrub that can grow in a variety of different climates, different soils. It's drought tolerant once established. This particular one is called the gray box, and it stays relatively small. This will only grow 2 to 3 feet and can be used as a beautiful border hedge along a wall, along a walkway, and it has these cute little flowers right here, which bloom actually year-round. So that's what I love about the Westringia fruticosa. This is one hell of a versatile plant. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, think outside, live outside, and make your world a more beautiful place.